What are we going to prepare today?
Well, we have a typical dish we do in the southern part of France. It's called the Ratatouille. It's pretty much a vegetable stew. We're going to be using herbe de Provence. That's what's going to bring the smell in your kitchen.
Is this the same recipe you've used for decades?
That's the recipe I've been using. I learned it from my grandmother's.
This is a really healthy dish.
It is.
I mean,
just know that's like every stew, it tastes better the day after.
Exactly.
That is really important.
The lavender, is that an Americanized version? They don't use lavender in the French recipe.
We don't really.
You don't use the lavender when you cook.
No.
Yeah.
We use the lavender in France really mostly for perfume.
Yeah. When you use a Dutch oven like that, it's like cast iron, do you get a better overall
I really like
throughout?
Dutch oven are really fantastic for any stew, vegetable stew or just meat stew.
Yeah.
I met my wife at UNO a long time ago.
Yeah.
And only a woman will bring it to Omaha.
That's it. Hi, I'm Mike DeGiacomo, a born and raised American and a food lover. And I invite you to join me as we discover the origins of flavor, the journey of spices, and the recipes of the world.